Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the place where we turn your outdoor dreams into stunning reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A simple flower garden is more than just a collection of plants. It is a thoughtfully curated space designed to bring natural beauty and harmony to your home without the stress of complex maintenance. Unlike formal botanical gardens that require professional upkeep, a simple flower garden focuses on accessibility and personal joy. It typically involves using a limited color palette, hardy plant varieties, and straightforward layouts that follow the natural lines of your home or walkways. At its core, it represents the art of slow living, providing a dedicated spot where nature and architecture meet in an uncomplicated, visually pleasing way. Beyond the obvious visual appeal, a simple flower garden offers profound benefits for your mental well-being and the environment. Engaging with soil and plants is a proven stress reliever, acting as a form of grounding that lowers cortisol levels after a long day of work. Furthermore, even a small patch of flowers acts as a vital sanctuary for local pollinators like bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, contributing to the health of your local ecosystem. From a practical standpoint, a well-maintained flower garden significantly increases your property's curb appeal and market value, making your home feel welcoming and established. It creates an outdoor room that invites you to step outside, breathe fresh air, and enjoy the changing seasons from the comfort of your own yard. To make your simple flower garden look truly professional, focus on the power of layering and edging. Start by defining your garden beds with crisp borders, using materials like reclaimed brick, natural stone, or even a clean English edge cut into the turf to create a sense of order. When planting, place taller varieties in the back and shorter, carpet-like flowers in the front to ensure every bloom is visible. Incorporating non-plant elements like a classic bird bath, a weathered wooden bench, or decorative solar lanterns can provide focal points that keep the garden interesting, even when flowers aren't in peak bloom. Don't forget the power of negative space. Leaving a lush green lawn or a clean gravel path between your flower beds allows the vibrant colors of your blooms to truly pop without overwhelming the eye. Choosing the right plants is the secret to a successful low-maintenance garden. For beginners, it is best to mix hardy perennials that come back every year with vibrant annuals for a constant splash of color. Lavender, salvia, and coneflowers are excellent choices because they are drought-tolerant and provide beautiful vertical interest. If you have a shady spot, hostas and bleeding hearts offer lush, architectural foliage. For those wanting instant gratification, marigolds, petunias, and zinnias are incredibly easy to grow from seed or starters and will bloom prolifically throughout the summer. The key is to select plants that are native to your region, as they will naturally resist local pests and thrive with minimal intervention, allowing you to spend more time enjoying the view and less time weeding. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best simple flower garden ideas to spark your creativity. One, the vibrant brick-bordered pathway. This design features a stunning array of purple salvia and yellow marigolds nestled behind a classic red brick border. The curved line of the flower bed softens the straight walkway, creating a welcoming and high-contrast entrance that instantly boosts the home's curb appeal. 2, the natural rock-edged island bed. Perfect for large lawns, this island garden uses oversized natural stones to create a rustic boundary. The mix of spiked green foliage and delicate pink and yellow blooms provides a 360-degree view of color, making it a perfect centerpiece for a backyard. 3, the rustic multi-level patio retreat. This idea combines a wooden deck with a lush, wildflower arrangement. By using stepping stones through the grass and placing a spool table in the corner, this garden feels like a secret woodland escape right in the middle of a residential area. 4, the elegant blue and white courtyard. Simplicity is key here, with large terracotta pots painted in a soft periwinkle blue to match the grape hyacinths. The wooden furniture set amidst the blooms creates a functional outdoor dining space that feels like a European villa. 5. The classic American front porch. Symmetry defines this look. Twin hanging baskets of pink petunias complement the ornamental grasses and dark-leaved heuchera at the base of the porch. The pop of the red door against the soft green foliage creates a picture-perfect home exterior. 6. The wildflower meadow border. For those who love a natural look, this dense planting of cosmos, black-eyed Susans, and ornamental grasses creates a prairie-like feel. It's an excellent way to mask fences or sheds, while providing a massive buffet for local butterflies. 7. The shabby chic secret nook. This design uses oversized hostas and potted lavender to frame a delicate white wrought iron bistro set. The tall rose bushes in the background provide privacy, making this the ultimate spot for a morning coffee surrounded by fragrance. 8. The formal rose and stone sanctuary. A circular flagstone path leads to a central birdbath, surrounded by manicured rose bushes in shades of pink, white, and yellow. This layout is timeless and provides a structured, meditative space for any garden lover. 9. The modern Adirondack lounge. Simplicity meets comfort in this design. Low-profile purple flowers line the edge of a perfectly manicured lawn, where gray Adirondack chairs invite you to sit back. The ivy-covered wall in the back adds a lush, vertical green dimension to the space. 10. The grand stone fireplace and waterfall oasis. This is the ultimate luxury simple garden, using tiered stone retaining walls filled with colorful petunias and coleus. The integration of a stone fireplace and a small trickling waterfall makes this outdoor area a year-round destination for relaxation. Creating a simple flower garden is one of the most rewarding projects you can undertake for your home. It doesn't require a professional landscaping crew or a massive budget, just a bit of creativity and the willingness to get your hands in the dirt. Whether you start with a single flower bed along your walkway or a few curated pots on your porch, the transformation will be immediate. As your garden grows, you'll find that it becomes a reflection of your personality and a constant source of peace in a busy world. If you enjoyed these garden designs, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. Which of the 10 ideas we shared today was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing about your gardening journeys. Also, check the description for a list of the best plants mentioned in today's video to help you get started on your own floral paradise. Happy gardening!